Hello, this is Michael with the World of Reviews, and today we'll be opening a Galaxy S8. Open it up. It's got a little piece of tape here. Alright, and pull it out. Here is the new S8. A little bit smaller than my Note, which I was hoping it'd be a little bit bigger. And there's startup. Alright, the S8, it comes with adapters for different chargers. Comes with earbud covers. Comes with earbuds. Of course, it comes with the charger. And it comes with the charging cable. It comes with a tool to put your SIM card in, which read the instructions, but there's a small hole. I'm trying to see if I can get it up here. There's a small hole, you might be able to see it right there, that you put the tool in, and you use it to open that to put the SIM card in. And your SD card also goes up there too if you got an SD card. Now that we got it updated, we're going to click on it, open it up by hitting the side button, and swipe up. Let's go to the home screen. Alright, these are the apps it comes with. It comes with your Facebook, T-Mobile, Name ID, Visual Voicemail, T-Mobile TV, Phone, Message, Internet, Play Store, and Camera. The camera has a little bit less megapixels than my Note, but supposedly they made it better by adding more features to it. It has the Bixby Vision, which is kind of neat. You take a picture or something, and once you take a picture of it, you can tell it to Google search it. So if you're looking for like a certain pair of shoes, and you see someone wearing the shoes, you can ask them to let you take a picture of their shoes, and maybe go have Google search it. That's just an example. It's got the Edge screen, which has some of your apps. You can select which apps you want here. It comes with a calculator, the gallery, clock, folder. I don't know what's in that folder, but YouTube, Maps, Chrome, Duo. You can put different things in there. It's got Smart Select, just like the Note. I'm trying to get it without, I ain't gonna be able to get it, but it's got different selections. Let's see, as far as apps, I think I went over this already, but it comes with these apps right here already on it. And then these are my apps that were on my other phone. And whenever you sign into Google, it'll automatically ask you if you want to transfer your apps off your old phone onto your new phone. And I did, but make sure you, if you're changing companies, make sure you look. Like I went from Verizon to T-Mobile, and so whenever I downloaded my new apps, or downloaded my old apps, it downloaded my Verizon apps. So just watch out for that. I don't know if you could put them in into a folder like you could with the Note. As soon as I find two things that are similar, I'll do it. Here we go. NASCAR. Yep, you can. So you can do that to save some space on your screen. All you do is If you didn't see it, I wasn't looking at the screen on my camera, but if you didn't see it, all you gotta do is click on it, hold it down, and drag it to another app and drop it, and it'll automatically put it in a folder. I'm sorry if there's a blur. It's hard to do this. I'll turn down the brightness to try to make it better, but it's still kind of fuzzy. Here. There. And it'll ask you if you want to name it. You can name it. Let's see what else. It does have the S Health, which is one of the reasons why I wanted to go with this phone and not a different phone, because me and my wife, we use this a lot. Although with me you can't tell. I don't have it set up at the time, but so yeah, you can use that. It's got different other apps, Samsung apps, and to transfer everything off your old phone onto your new phone, I'm pretty sure it uses the S-Beam. If it doesn't use the S-Beam, it'll use Bluetooth. But this has just been a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy S8. I like it. It's a nice phone. I can't wait to see how it does compared to my Note 5. I don't like the fact that I don't have the pen, but you know, maybe later I'll update to the S8 or Note 8 whenever they come out. Thanks for watching my videos. It's Michael with the World of Reviews. Have a good day.